Mary, can you help me? I'm in the bathroom.
What's wrong, John?
There is no toilet paper. The roll is empty.
Oh, no. Wait 1 moment.
Please hurry. This is not a good time.
I'm looking in the cabinet. Do we have more?
I don't know. I think we have some under the sink.
Yes, I found one roll here.
Perfect. Can you bring it to me, please?
Yes, I'm coming. Here you go. I'm leaving it by the door.
Thank you so much, Mary. You saved me.
Next time, please check before you go in.
You are right. I will check next time. I promise.
Good. I will buy more today at the store.
Great idea. Buy 2 or 3 extra rolls, please.
I will buy 10, just to be safe.
Yes, that is a very good plan.